Hello, this is Mr. Libby. Welcome back. This is week 17, day 2. So this is Wednesday and Thursday. We're doing finding formula mass, which is the third step of 3 in the weekly kids learning path. When you open this up, you're going to get something that looks like this. Right? It's called the finding formula mass activity. You're going to find formula mass, use the element compound shapes to give you kind of an idea of how they fit together. Control D duplicates and Control comma makes a subscript. So let me show you this one. So the mass for this, again, you're going to go to your periodic table. So H is 1.01 and O is 16. So right here, I'm going to put 1.01. Here, I'm going to put 16.00. They're already rounded for you. Please don't round them again. All right, and then you're going to try to fit them together. So that one's going to go there. It's kind of close. All right, that's close. But clearly, I need another one. So I'm going to, since it's already selected, I'm going to hit Control D. And that makes another one. I'm going to try to drag it down and make it close. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right, but that's how you do it. Now you notice that you kind of make a square or a rectangle. The symbols on the elements are H and O, and I just got that from right there. The charges are how many times is there an indentation or an outdentation? So this is going to be +1, and this is going to be -2. So for lack of a better term, the male parts are the negatives and the female parts are the positives. So there's one female part on each H, so that's +1, and there's 2 male parts on the O, that's -2. The formula is how many H's do you have? H2O. And I'm going to highlight this and do Control comma, make it a subscript. You probably know this is water. I don't need you to do the names on any other ones. We didn't get to name, so I'm not going to have you do that. Just leave that blank. But you do need to know that the formula mass is 18.02. And if you want to be completely correct about it, it's grams per mole. That's 1.01 plus 1.01. That's 2.02. Plus 16 is 18.02. So I just added them all up. All right, I'm going to do another one. Let's do one that has H in it. There. Okay, so I'll do this one. So again, this one is 1.01. And I'm doing H because we've already done it before. And this is 14.01. And that 14.01 came from right there. All right, so I'm going to drag this H up there. I need another one. And I need another one. So again, I'm doing Control D to make copies or to make duplicates. The symbols are going to be H and N. H is first. N. Charges. This is going to be +1 still. And there are 3 of them there, so that's -3. The formula, there are 3 H's, so that's going to be H3 and 1 N. And again, Control, comma. You don't need to know the name. I'm going to write it. I think I wrote the names on the sheet, but if I didn't, just leave the name blank. I do need you to know that 1.01 plus 1.01 plus 1.01 is 3.03. Plus 14.01 is 17.04. And again, grams per mole is formula mass. That's how you do it. This is all we're doing. So finish that in your pod and do this activity, and you'll be good to go. Thanks.